Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Rinku Art, and in today's video I am going to show you how to draw cartoon faces on different shapes, or you can say in basic shapes. So first I'll take square and then I'll draw its eyes by taking two circles. So here first thing I'll draw the eyes with the help of circle, and nose, ears and mouth. So these are the basic things I need to draw at the beginning itself, and then the difficult one, that is the hairstyle. Before drawing the hairs, I always think which type of hair suits on my character, because this character has a square shape face, so it's little difficult for me to identify which type of hairstyle will look good on this face. So for the time being I'm just taking this type of hairstyle. You can do the experiment and you can place some other suitable hairstyle to this type of character face. Try to give more time to your character. Do small things like the lines under the eyes if it is necessary, eyebrows if you want to give hairs to it, then you can draw those things also, and the lines inside the hairs also you can add. If needed, then you can add the shadows as well. So after this I'll go with the next character, which I'll draw out of triangle. This time I'll draw a female character, and here also I'll draw the eyes, nose, mouth and ears first, and then I'll decide which type of hairstyle will suit this character face. So I am not thinking much and giving this type of hairstyle. If I have time, then I'll spend more time in searching the hairstyle in internet maybe, or I'll draw few hairstyles that are in my mind, but for the tutorial I am doing this hairstyle. I hope you like this. And again, after completing rough face, I'll go with the details like earrings, shadow and the dark lines where it is needed. So let me write the shapes over here. The first one is square, second one is triangle, and the third one is rectangle. Here also I'll apply the same formula. First I'll draw the shape. On that I'll do the eyes first with the same eye style, that is circle. If you want, you can change the eye style, like you can do smaller eyes, and then I'll draw the nose and mouth and ears. After doing these, I'll think about the hairs as before. So the hairstyle which I am doing right now, it's just that it suits on the character, that's why I am keeping this hairstyle, otherwise I would have changed this. And here the character is front face, the other two are front 3/4. So here in this character I am putting little more details like the dots under the eyes, or you can say on the cheeks, those I am trying to keep, and you can see the shadow under the chin, you can say on the neck. Okay, this is rectangle. And finally my three characters are ready. I hope you like these characters. I think these characters came out very nice, and if I'll do the cleanup and detailings, it will look much better. So you can also try all these things, giving a shape first, and on that you can put the necessary things like eyes, nose, mouth, ears, and then you can work on the hairstyle. Okay, and you can work on the eyes as well, because in this video I have just kept the single style of eyes. You can change it and see if it is working or not. So yeah, that's it for today, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.